Good evening, my name is Thomas Bryant, and I chose to do the network traffic analysis for HTTP. Just thought it would be fun to learn a little bit more about some HTTP packets. So as we can see, HTTP is how we're sending you this message. Analyze the provided capture to answer the following questions about a HTTP download. So our first question will be, what Linux tool was used to execute a file download? So to find that, we'll want to go up here to the filter. We'll do http.request, and then we'll go ahead and click apply. We want to do request because we want the request that's coming from the client to the server. So right here we can see this would be the answer for question 1. And then for question 2, it would be, what is the name of the web server software that handled the request? So for that, we're going to want to go back up to our filter. We're going to change it from request to response. Cool, I did remember how to spell that correctly. We'll click apply, and now we can see that instead of the source being the client, it's been flipped. So now it's coming from the server directly to the client. And then if we go to server, right here is our answer for question 2. And then for question 3, we want to find what IP address initiated the request. If we go right up here, you can see that we have 2 IP addresses. But you do want to remember that since this is the response from the server to the client is actually the destination in this one. And then for question 4, what is the IP address of the server? That would be the source, which would be this IP address right here. And then for our last question, what is the MD5 sum of the file downloaded? So for that, what I did was I used Wireshark. Went to the filter, just did PNG, click this, and then right here is the file that was downloaded. So we'll click on that, click File, we'll do Export Objects, we'll click HTTP, and then right here we can go ahead and save that. Once we have it saved, we'll click Preview, and we see that we have a nice little picture. So we'll go ahead and close that. We'll close that. Now that we have that saved, we'll go ahead and open Command Prompt. Once Command Prompt is opened, we're going to want to go ahead and type CD followed by the path to where the file is located. For me, I I like to keep it super easy, so I just put it directly into my downloads. Once we have that set, we'll hit enter. Once that pops up, we'll go ahead and type this out, and then we'll put the name of the file. Once again, I keep it super simple, and I just named it logo. And then after logo, we'll do MD5. We'll go ahead and press enter, and then you should see MD5 hash of the name of your file, and then right here would be your answer for question 5. And that's just a little demonstration on the network traffic analysis for HTTP.